Welcome to Seven Boats Academy. Right now we will discuss about what is called a geotag. Now if you are running a company and it is a locational company, that means if you are based in Calcutta or in Delhi or Mumbai and you don't have multiple branches, then you can hint Google and other search engines with your latitude and longitude and put it in the head tag as a geo tag there, and it would help search engines to understand that this business is a local business, and there is a better chance that in the regional search like in google.co.in in Kolkata or in Mumbai, when people would search for your long tail keywords, your rank would, your website's name and URL would come at top of the search engine result page. So for example, 7boats.com, their office is in Kolkata in Salt Lake. So we need to first generate the geo tag. So for that we need to go to a website that is called geo-tag.de. So we open this website and we would write the office address here in this box. So you write it over here. So you search with AC 147 sector 1. It's Salt Lake area. You can see the map listing here. It's perfectly the exact position where this office is located. Now you go here and you can see this tag. Also you can put the Dublin code title tag, whatever long tail keyword and focus keywords you are using for your homepage, for your website. You can put another keyword based title over here. So you can put, say, digital marketing company. So you can write here, so digital marketing company, you write here 7 boats. Now you see this 5 lines of code. You have to copy this code. You log into your WordPress backend, you go to your appearance section, you go to your editor section. From appearance you go to the editor part, you find out the header.php file, and you have to place this code within the closing head tag. Now you find out where is the closing head tag. So this is the closing head tag, you can see here. So you put it over here. So you put it over here like this way. You put it and you then update this file, and if you check the website, then so you open the website clientsites.in/students. This is the website. So we have just included the geo tag there. So this is the website we have opened. Now we check the source code. You check the view page source code and you search with the geo tag here. So you can see this meta name, this geo tag, Kolkata position and latitude and longitude you can see here. So this will help search engines to understand that this is a local business. Their office is situated in Kolkata and this particular latitude longitude. So whether people are searching with, say, digital marketing company in Kolkata, digital marketing companies in Salt Lake, Kolkata, so there is a probability, there is a chance that 7 Boats website would come at a better position in SERP. Now there is one thing, if you have multiple branches across India, then you don't put the precise address here. Rather you can do only put, rather than the precise address, you just write it here like India. If you have multiple branches in India, you just put here with India. So this is India and you can select this code for a generic all India based geolocation. Otherwise, if you have multiple locations and you can include this geotag, or else just leave it, you don't need to put the geotag. This is not a mandatory thing, but yes, for single location offices, businesses, this geotag is helpful. Thank you.